Okay, so there was a startup of the 2018 2-ton Goodman heat pump in cool mode. Got a Copeland scroll compressor. I actually got a video of it running just like 5 or 10 minutes ago, maybe even longer. This is the Goodman logo. I like how like the startup is, and then like 2 seconds later, like makes that little noise. (2018) 2-ton. It's already getting nice and cold. This one actually just cycled like a couple minutes ago, so I'll try to get it later. That one I got yesterday, so yeah. Yeah. There's the fan motor. The logo for it actually used to be right here, and then they moved it here when they serviced it. So yeah, I like how it like said like right here. So yeah, I just wanted to get a video of it starting up and running. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.